Hi, I'm Beth. We're here outside of apartment 455 at Stackhouse Apartments. Let's go inside and take a look. Look at these windows. This living room is always going to get lots of light, and you even have a view of the Stackhouse smokestack. You have a full kitchen here with full-size appliances. Look, this is even a new stove. This apartment has a huge coat closet. You can store not only your coats, but also a lot of outdoor equipment in here. Speaking of storage, this apartment also has these great shelves where you can store your linens and towels, and then you also have drawers and cabinets for all your toiletries. This bedroom is extra large. You could absolutely fit a king-size bed in this bedroom, which I know is a little difficult in some of the South Lake Union apartments. You also have a great view out of this bedroom window. You can see our dog run and watch all the dogs running around, and you can see the park.
This has been a Stackhouse Apartments production.